Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you use a Fitbit to track your runs, you cannot connect it with Runna to sync your workouts, monitor progress, and keep all your running data in one place. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Runna with Fitbit in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what using Runna with Fitbit means. So connecting Runna with Fitbit allows you to sync completed runs, track workouts in both apps, monitor progress in one place, combine data from multiple devices. So Fitbit records the run and Runna stores the training data. Okay, so first thing first, install the required apps. So open the App Store or Google Play, install Runna and install Fitbit. Okay, so log into your both accounts, use the correct accounts for syncing. Okay, so open the Runna app, go to settings, tap connected apps, select Fitbit. It should be here after you download it. Log into your Fitbit account, allow all permissions. So this enables automatic syncing. So now return to connected apps, check that Fitbit shows as connected. New runs will sync after workouts. Okay, now start a run using Fitbit. So start a run from your Fitbit watch or Fitbit app, complete your workout, save the activity. Fitbit records the run data. Okay, so after that, open the Fitbit app, wait for activity to sync, open the Runna app. The run will appear in your Runna activity history, stats updates automatically. So sync usually happens within minutes. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.